Okay, so lots of people ask question when to make a position. Okay, so if this is a very common question asked in the trading community, when to make the position. Sometimes we predicted that market will be tomorrow bearish, but we suppose we decided here that market will be bearish, but very next day market is opening low and it is going higher. Okay. So in that case, where should we initiate our position? Okay. So in that case, I would only suggest you that wait for a nice pullback to the downside and wait for price to come near the EMAs. Okay. If it is near the EMAs, that means price has averaged up. Okay. So once it has come near the EMA, then you wait for the candle. You wait for the candle when, in case of selling, and in case of bearishness, when this red candle engulfs the previous green candle completely. Okay, if you see here, this candle is completely engulfing this green candle. So in that case, you can initiate the selling position or a bearish position at this point. Okay, so this would be a nice point to initiate the bearish position or sell position. Okay, you can put your stop loss at the above high here and you can let your position run. Okay, in case of index, you should always take care that the position you are taking, the position you are taking, uh, it is higher chance for sellers to win the game. Okay, so if you are seller, in that case it is easier to win the game. Okay, so if you are entering here, you put a stop loss here and you can let your position run. Okay, so basically you have to create a position like this. Okay, always set your risk and reward minimum of 1 is to 3. Okay, your trade should be based on either target or based on risk and reward. Like you are seeing here, the risk and reward is 1 is to 4.5. So you can reduce it to 4 or 3. Minimum of 3 you should take, not less than 3. Okay, always remember this thing. Okay, for if you miss this entry, you can again wait when it comes to nearby EMA somewhere here, and wait that it should give a nice red candle. It should give a nice red candle that is engulfing the previous green candles. So here you can initiate your trade, and in that case you can start the position by putting a small stop loss above this range, minimum of 1 is to 3. If you are putting 1 is to 3, in that case, in case of selling, it is easier to achieve those targets very frequently or easily. Okay, so always execute sell trade when it is below the line, below the EMA line. Okay, you checking here, this is below the EMA line. In case of buying, you should always initiate the trade when it is above the line. You can see here, in any of these case you can start the trade like this is above the line. So here it will come near the EMA. Here this green candle could not engulf this red candle, so you cannot initiate the trade. Okay, so this is the red candle zone. Again when it comes to nearby the EMA, here you can initiate the trade and you can enjoy the profits like this. Okay, So in that case, your risk and reward will always be very nice. Suppose you are initiating a trade here, initiating a long trade here, long trade here. So in that case, stop loss below this zone and minimum of 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. So 1 is to 4 here, this will be taken. Okay. So you might be saying, no, here my stop loss will get hit. No, your stop loss will not get hit. Okay. Why? Because always remember, if price is coming below the 13 EMA, below 13 EMA, exit the trade. Don't be in the trade at that point of time. Or this is end of the day, so you have to exit intraday positions there. Okay. And always remember, if this is 13 EMA, I am taking this as a 13 EMA, I always choose 13 EMA only. So for buy situation, I will choose our candles should be above the 13 EMA. For sell position, for sell position, our candles should always be below the 13 EMA, not above. Okay, it should never be above. Okay, so while we are proceeding, we are going for a buy trade. Always remember, our position should be executed near the EMA, and when previous red candle, this is the previous red candle, is engulfed by the next green candle. So here you can initiate the trade, this one stop loss, and minimum of 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3 risk and reward target you can take. In case of sell or bearish market, what you can do, you can simply wait for when green, it is near the EMA, it is near the EMA, and this is green candle, and this green candle is completely engulfed by a red candle. Okay, this should be completely engulfed by red candle. So in that case, you can initiate your trade here, this one as a stop loss, this one as a stop loss, this one is a entry, and you can set a target somewhere here based on the risk and reward minimum of 1 is to 3. Okay, risk and reward always take minimum of 1 is to 3. So I hope I have made my point here. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt, please feel free to comment so that I can answer your doubts. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the video.